Hi, Pre-K. How are you doing? Have you been having a good time playing games this week? Good. It was really nice today. I hope you had a chance to get out. What kind of games do you like to play with your friends and family? Sounds like fun. So the other day we played a game of hopscotch, which was outdoor. And the day after that, we played a game of checkers. I hope you had fun with that. And today I want to teach you a game. It's a card game called Uno. And you may have this game already at home, but if you don't, I made up some little cards for you that you can use. And the cool thing about Uno is it's a numbers and color game. So I'm going to show you right now the different cards that are in the Uno deck. And this Uno deck that we have is kind of fun. It's Toy Story 4, so you might see some characters you recognize if you've seen that movie. Okay, so let me show you some of the cards we have. Okay, so what number is that? Yeah, and who's on that card? That's right. And then we have 1, right? And what's that number? 2, and that number? Good. 3, and this number? Now this is interesting. I wonder why that line is there. This is a 6, but if that line wasn't there and you turned it the other way, what does that look like? That's right. It looks like a 9. So when you see a line underneath, that means that's the bottom of the number. And we know that number 6, this is a little bit different than how we make ours, but you can still see how it's rolling a hoop. So that's a number 6. Then we have number 7, number 8, and the last one, number 9. And what do you see that's the same? Yeah, there's a line underneath. So the line tells us that's the bottom. So if we were to cover up that line, we might not know if it's a 6 or a 9. But because the line is there, we know that that's a number 9. Okay? It's kind of fun to see the movie characters on there, huh? Okay, so I also want to share with you some cards that may not be, are probably not in the deck that I made for you, but you might see them in the deck if you have your own Uno deck at home. So this is called a skip. That means you skip one of the players that's sitting next to you. And then these arrows right here are reverse, meaning if we're going in a clockwise direction, you guys know about clockwise, right? This is a clockwise direction. If we reverse it, we're going to go in a counterclockwise direction, meaning backward, okay? And then this one right here, do you see how it's all different colors? That's a wild card. So you can play that anytime you want if you don't have your own card to play. So along with the numbers, you also notice that there are 4 different colors. We have yellow, green, red, and blue. So the way we play this game is we want to match either numbers or colors. So I have Sophie here again, and we're going to take out all of the extra special cards. We're just going to play with the numbers, okay? We're going to get rid of the skips and the reverses because you guys don't have those in your packs that I made for you. So we're going to play a game, and Sophie, who doesn't want to have her face on camera, but she will go ahead and do that. Okay, that's right. She's telling us that there are wilds in there, so I could teach how to do the wilds. Okay, she's going to deal, which means she's going to pass out the cards, and she's going to pass out 7, but she's not going to do in a row. She's going to go 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, and that's it. Okay, I'm going to get rid of these cards. All right, so then you look at the cards, and you know what? Today I'm going to lay them out because sometimes in our pre-K hands, they're kind of hard to hold in one hand. So in our house, when my kids were little, we often played games where we just laid the cards out on the table. But if you want to hold them all in your hand, you can. So you can see I have a blue, a green, 3 yellows, a red, and a blue. Now, when I play Uno, I like to gather or sort, you guys know that word. I like to sort my colors all together so that I can see them quickly and easily. You might decide that you want to sort by number, and you can do that too. So when you play, you can sort by color or number. Okay, the person who deals needs to make sure that they put one card over, and that's our starting point. Now, again, usually the person who doesn't deal gets to play first, but we also have a youngest plays first in our rule in our house. So, Sophie, what card is this?
It's a blue 7.
So what are the two choices you can make?
I can either play a blue card or a number 7.
Right. Okay, let's see what she does. Ooh, she played a number 7 that was red. So she matched the number instead of the color card. Okay, let's look at mine. Do I have any that are either red or 7? Oh, I hear you telling me. Is that a red one? But it's not a 7, but it is red, so I can play it. There we go. Ooh, she could have played a red or an 8, and she chose to play a red. Now, I have to look at my cards and find out if I have a red or a 5. Hey, Buzz. Okay, so let's look. No red or 5. I have a 5. Yay. Okay, I'm going to play the 5. So now, class, what does she have? What can she play? That's right. She can play a blue or a 5. Let's see what she does. Ooh, she played a blue 8. Okay, let's see what we've got. I don't have any 8s, and they're obviously not blue. This is the only one I can play. It's a blue 9. Remember, that's a 9, not a 6. Okay. Ooh, she plays another blue, and it's a 4. Ooh, let's hope that I have a card I can play, because I don't have any blues left. Ooh, you know what? There's a 4. I can play a 4. What color is that? And it's okay that it's not the same color because I'm still matching the right number. 4 and 4. Okay. Your turn, Soph.
To draw.
Okay, so this is a good thing. Sophie doesn't have a yellow or a 4. So if you don't have a yellow or a 4, you are going to draw from the pile. And families sometimes have different rules. In our house, we just draw 1, and you either play it if you can or you just keep it. There are some families who will make you draw and draw and draw until you get one. So that's up to your family what you like to do, but we just want to draw 1. Okay, so she couldn't play, so I still can play a yellow. Oh, was it good? Oh, okay, I didn't know. I thought you would have played it. Okay, so she got a yellow when she picked it up, so she can play it. And now it's my turn. I can either play a yellow or a 2. Ooh, interesting. I have a 2, and I also have 2 different yellows. This is hard. What should I pick? Well, I know she doesn't have yellow because she had to pick last time. Now, if I play the 2, she might have green, and then I don't have any more green to play. So I'm going to play my yellow because I want to win. Okay. All right, I'm going to play my yellow. But we don't know. She might have a 6. Do you have a 6? No, she'd have a yellow or a 6. And she had to draw, and she couldn't play it. So we're doing okay. Okay, guys, this is an important part of the game. Guess what? I'm going to play this yellow, and I'm only going to have 1 card left. Do you remember what word we learned last week during Spanish when we went to Spain or when we had Mexican food and we learned a little bit of Spanish? It's called uno. The name of the game. Uno means 1. When you only have 1 card left, you have to say uno really, really fast. If you don't say uno really, really fast, the other person And Sophie is waiting to say it. Let me just tell you. The other person can say, you didn't say uno. And then you have to draw 2 more cards. And then you're that much further away from winning. So don't forget to say uno when you're down to 1 card. She can't wait. Ready? Uno. Now, Sophie knows what card I have because I have them laid down. So she could be really mean right now. But if I was playing with my cards up, she wouldn't know that I don't have a yellow and I don't have a 6. So she might try to change the color and it might end up being good for me. So, but she can see she's not going to try to play green. That's for sure. Okay. What are you going to do, Soph? Oh, she has to draw because she's on yellow.
Blue.
Oh, she got a wild?
No, red.
And she can call any color she wants when she draws a wild. So she can change the color to red. Do I have red? Nope, and I don't have a wild, so I have to draw. Let's see. I'm not going to show her what it is this time. Nope, can't play. She's trying to cheat. Okay, now I'll show them.
Yes.
Your turn. Play red. Sorry, I got you on camera. Okay. Do I have a red or a 3? Nope. I got to draw again. Oh, man, we were winning. Oh, I got a red. Whew. Well, she got a red too. Do I have a red anymore? And I don't have a 1. All right, here we go. No can do. Okay, come on, pre-K. I got to hear you cheer for me. I don't hear you cheering.
Blue.
She got a wild. She's calling blue. I don't have blue. Oh, man. Oh, I wasn't paying attention. All right. I still don't have uno, and I do not have a 3, so I'm still drawing. We're almost back to like the beginning. Okay. There we go. Back in business. Ooh, she doesn't have a blue, too.
I can't play that.
She can't play that. Guess what? I don't have a blue, but I have a 2. Okay, here we go.
No.
I forgot to say it again, but that's okay. I have a green. We're still in business. I can hear you cheering. Oh, she won! Just for that, I'm going to show you on camera. Wave hello.
Hello.
She beat me, as happens quite often. Well, that's the game of Uno. I hope you have fun playing a game with your family and your friends this weekend. Don't forget to say Happy Mother's Day to Mom, and have a wonderful week. We'll see you on Tuesday. Bye.